Hey guys, my name is Shahyar. I'm a day trader and this is my new investment property in Toronto, Canada. And I couldn't do this if it wasn't for trading. So give me a few minutes of your time. I will guarantee you won't regret it. So I immigrated to Canada 5 years ago as an international student. I got admission, I got scholarship and funds to come here and study my Masters of Electrical Engineering, which is not related to trading, right? So here's the story. In my third semester of studies, I got interested in learning how to make money online. I first started trading stocks, but I got interested in options trading because I didn't have enough money to trade stocks, and I found out that with less amount of capital, I can grow my account with options trading. But I didn't know anything about options. So I was reading books, watching videos, spent 12, 13 hours of screen time per day to learn about options. It was hard, but it's worth it. And you can see, right? I can't even believe that I was able to buy this property after just 5 years of immigrating to Canada as a student. I couldn't do it if it wasn't for trading, and especially options trading. It took me a lot of time, money, effort, and sacrifice to learn all of these things, but it doesn't have to be like this for you. You can learn it a lot faster like the current MTC Incubator members. I'm very excited to share my experience and knowledge with you guys so you can build your own profitable system and your dream life. Remember, trading is not rocket science. Anyone can learn how to trade, but you need the proper education and tools to become a profitable trader. And that's exactly what we do at Trading Club Incubator. MTC Incubator is like a startup incubator but for traders. It's a 4-week program that teaches you everything you need to know from basics to advanced. If you're a beginner, there is no prerequisite. We'll teach you everything you need to know. And if you are a trader with some experience, don't worry, we will cover tons of professional strategies, tons of complicated strategies, and you can learn a lot from this program. And you have the opportunity to get feedback from professional traders. This program is not like any other course. It consists of a 4-week live mastermind that I personally cover, and you will access to technical psychology and Q&A webinar. And in addition to that, you will get a trading booklet and a trading template that has been working out for me in the last few years. This incubator program is a full package that takes you from 0 to 100, and what you need to do is to just follow what we teach you. And most importantly, I personally guarantee that I will be with you until you make money in the market. I will not stop helping you guys until you see the profits, and that's exactly what I currently do with the current MTC Incubator members. I wish there was a program like this when I started trading, but there was not, and there is no program like this. So if you're interested in learning more about MTC Incubator, check out metatradingclub.com, and I hope to see you in the next MTC Incubator cohort.